You probably clicked this video because you want to get an e-bike, but you don't know which one to get because all of them sound the same. Well, today, I'm going to tell you 5 reasons why I bought the Lectric XP. What's really good, fam? It is your boy, David, brand new, back with another video for you. Before we get started with the video, you guys need to smash that like button 100 times for your boy. This is the first video I'm putting out on my channel, and it's not the last. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I got 0 subscribers, okay? Let's get them joints up. I'm gonna be releasing videos every single week about e-bikes, so you wanna stay tuned or you're gonna miss out. First off, I wanna start the video by saying I am not a professional e-biker rider, okay? So do not expect a full-blown review. There are plenty of channels on YouTube that does that. They go each component on the joint, okay? It's not me, okay? I'm just gonna tell you 5 reasons why I like it. I'm also gonna give you a bonus reason at the end, so you wanna watch the video to the end. So, reason number 1, why I bought the Lectric XP, the pandemic. It is, what month is it, Jay? October. If you haven't been living under a rock, you would know that we are experiencing a pandemic, guys. Coronavirus has hit. All right, we've all been locked up inside our house, bored as hell. I'm tired of playing Uno. I don't know about you. So I was like, you know what? I want to get outside the house, but I ain't got money to be wasting on gas. I'm not going to even lie to you. So what did I do? I got an e-bike. Reason number 2 why I bought the Lectric XP is the price. I don't know about you guys, but I'm broke as hell. I'm living off a freaking budget, all right? I got everything mapped out, and I know how much I got to spend at the end of each month. I didn't have a lot of money to be spending on an e-bike. And if I would have dropped what these bikes are costing, I would have got in trouble, okay? I would have got in trouble by my fiance. This bike comes $899 plus tax. I think plus tax, I spend what? $940 out the door. Free shipping, guys, free shipping. A lot of these e-bike companies, they be charging you with shipping, and I'm not gonna even lie to you, for the same exact bike, because a lot of these 20-inch fat tire folding e-bikes, pretty much the same components on them, they're charging you guys at least $1,200. Not even joking, all right? Not even joking. I don't know about you, $899, $1,200, which one are you picking? I think I'm picking $899. Reason number 3 why I picked the Lectric XP. Quality, all right? This is a quality bike. Don't let the cheap price fool you. This is not a cheap bike, guys. This is quality. Like I said, I'm not a professional bike cyclist, all right? So I don't know exactly what's on here, but the joint works, okay? So first, we're gonna start off with 500 watt motor. Come on now, 500 watt. This ain't no 250, all right? This ain't no 350. This is 500 watts. We got a derailleur. So if you wanna change gears, you could do that. Honestly, you don't really need to because it has a motor on it, and I usually stay in gear 7, all right? You really don't need to go down to gear 1 unless you want to be moving like a hamster. It comes with a quality LCD screen, guys, all right? Let's just turn it on for you guys just so I can show you. Hold on. Turn on. Here's the LCD screen, all right? It's starting to get dark outside, guys. Let me know if you can see that screen. I know you can. It's backlit, okay? It's backlit, all right? This is quality. A lot of the other competitors, they feature some like cheap component on the side that just lets you know how much battery level, and it's not even a number. It's literally like 3 or 4 lights. They tell you what mode you're in, and that's it. This one has an odometer. It tells you the total miles. You can look at the trip, like you could do a trip. You can look at the volts, which is way more accurate than a bar, but it has a bar. The volts will tell you how much battery you have left. Also, the current. This is one thing that you want to monitor, guys. This bike comes stock with a front fender, a rear fender. It got a headlight on the joint. It got a rear light on the joint, guys. It was one more thing that I was forgetting. The rack, guys. Also forgot to mention I got a free pannier bag, all right? I didn't even have to put in Kev Central's code, guys.
Now, I like the sound of that.
Reason number 4 why I chose the Lectric XP. We got to hurry up, guys, because it's getting dark. Reason number 4 is the location of the seller, okay? They are located in Arizona, guys. I live in Southern California. That's like 2 states over. My logic was, because they're so close, I'm going to get the bike super fast. And guess what happened? It happened, okay? I ordered this bike on July 27th, the day after my birthday. Guess when I got the bike, guys? August 7th, guys. Do the math. How many days is that, Jane? How many? Week and a half. A lot of these e-bike companies, you gotta wait at least 6 weeks to get your freaking bike. Reason number 5 is speed. This joint is a freaking speed demon, okay? Thanks to that 500 watt motor, and not just any 500 watt motor. I think it puts out 750 watts peak power, guys. Peak. A lot of these people are lying about their motors, okay? But Lectric ain't, all right? You can get 28 miles per hour out of this joint, all right? Now they ship it as a class 2, which is 20 miles per hour. But all you gotta do is, you know, change a couple settings in that joint, 28 miles per hour. Now I'm not gonna lie, I don't always ride on 28 miles per hour because it's kind of fast, but it's nice to know that you can do it if you want to. I'm about to show y'all guys that I can hit 28 miles per hour with ease, okay? Y'all didn't believe me, but I'm gonna show you. Just take a look at that freaking speedometer, okay? Here we go. It's in pedal assist 5. Here we go. Here it is. And I don't even have to try hard, watch. This truck better move out the way, though. There it is. There it is. Easy. All right, and I said I was gonna give you guys a bonus reason why I'm picking the Lectric XP as my bike. That final reason is customer service. They got A1 customer service. A lot of these companies, they customer service team is working out of China, all right? They ain't even responding to you in time. Half of the time, you don't even know what they even saying, okay? Lectric XP, when I first got this bike, the front fender was all scratched up. I was like, oh, hell no. So I sent them an email. It was like, Lectric, y'all gotta do something about this freaking fender. Not gonna even lie to you. And what did Lectric do? They responded in how long, Jane? How long did they respond? Couple minutes, guys. They sent me a free rack. How long did that joint come? 3 days. It took 3 days for their joint to come. If you ever have problems with your bike, you know Lectric got you, all right? They also feature a 1-year warranty end to end. Don't be driving your freaking bike off a cliff and expecting to get a brand new bike, okay? But if anything goes wrong with the joint, they will help you out as long as it's within that year. All right, guys, that's the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully I answered some of you guys' questions. If you're on the fence about getting the e-bike, you might as well get this one. I'm not gonna lie to you. You're gonna be kind of stupid if you spend $1,200 for the same exact bike, okay? Take my word for it, all right? Hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. This is my first video on this channel, all right? There's gonna be way more e-bike videos to come. You don't wanna miss out, okay? It's your boy, David, brand new. And until the next video, deuces.